Okay, so hello everyone. So for this video, I will talk about quickly do the debriefing in this worksheet, okay, related to some unit conversion for the measurement. Now, basically, we have different kinds of unit, and these unit, okay, you will be used, okay, in our measurement. 我哋呢一張工作紙啦，咁其實最主要就係講述咧，一啲嘅 common unit，OK，一啲嘅單位啦，去進行運算嘅，OK，基本上啦，我哋大部分 science 上面嘅計算咧，都會用到呢啲嘅 unit 同埋用到呢啲咁樣嘅 symbol 噶啦。Okay, so now for this worksheet, it is not a must for you to hand in as it's just serve as a revision, okay, exercise for you because it's quite easy and you can just find, okay, the answer in online using some conversion website, okay, or some conversion apps. And you have already learned these, okay, in primary school. 呢一張工作紙咧，你就唔需要交俾我嘅。咁呢個係 for 你自己嘅溫書用啦。因為呢一張工作紙所講嘅內容咧，應該你喺小學已經學過㗎啦。咁我最主要係同你 go through 多一次，咁同你 check 下你會唔會有啲嘢係唔識，或者可能係咧唔記得咗，或者係唔識得點樣去運算嘅。Okay? So now let us quickly have a look on the length. Okay, so for the length, okay, this time what we are trying to do the conversion is that we try to convert km to meter. 嗱，咁我哋要將公里咧轉成米喎。Okay, so in this case, we notice that 1 kilometer is equals to 1,000 meter. So we got 5 kilometers. So in this case, it would be 5,000. OK，嗱，我哋而家咧有1公里轉換成米嘅話咧，就等同於1000米。咁而家我哋有5公里，咁所以即係簡單嚟講咧，就會係5乘1000，就係5000米啦。Okay, next, okay, we got meter towards to centimeter. Now, when we try to do meter to centimeter, actually it's also the same things, okay, as kilometer to meter. But this time, meter to centimeter, the number is slightly different, okay? Rather than, okay, we got 1 meter is equals to same ratio as the km to meter, but now, okay, we no longer be the same, okay? 我哋就唔再係一樣啦。我哋今次咧1米咧就等同於咧100 cm, okay? So it will be equals to 100 centimeter. So now, okay, we got 0.2. So in this case, we will 0.2 times 100. So therefore, it would be 20 centimeter, okay? 20 centimeter. Then, okay, next, okay, we will have a look on centimeter to millimeter. Now, for centimeter to millimeter, no longer 100, okay? This time it will be 1 centimeter, it will be equals to 10 millimeter. So in this case, we will just directly times 50 times 10, then equals to 500 millimeter. 咁今次咧唔再係100啦，我哋 set 將 centimeter 變成millimeter 嘅話，咁佢就應該咧係會等同於咧1:10，咁所以我哋有50個 cm，OK，咁即係簡單嚟講咧，我哋就有500個 mm 啦，OK。Now this time we change a little bit, okay. This time we change a little bit. Now we no longer look at the length, okay. We change to have a look on the what happened. This time we change a little bit. We change to um volume. Okay. Now for volume, it is a little bit tricky. Okay, because for volume, cubic meter towards to center cubic centimeter is slightly different. Okay. Now normally when we try to do the conversion, 1 meter cube, okay, towards, sorry, 1 meter to cm, okay, 1 cm, actually it would be 1 meter, it would be equals to 100 um, cm, okay. But now, as the volume, it is multiplied by the length, width, and also the height. So in this case, the 100 meter, actually, we will, sorry, 1 meter, which convert into 100 centimeter. This 100 centimeter will times for 3 times 100, times 100 times 100. Okay, so in this case, okay, what we are trying to find out or realize that actually here, okay, this 1 million actually is come out, okay, from 100 times 100 times 100. Is it clear for that? 嗱，1米一個 cubic meter，即係米嘅三次方啦。其實咧係等同於咧100萬個cm cubic meter 嘅。咁所以sorry 100萬個cubic centimeter 嘅。咁所以咧喺呢個情況之下咧，我哋將佢進行運算嘅時候咧，我哋就必須要非常小心啦。Okay, so we need to be very careful. Now we got how many? We got 50 million. Okay, 50 million of centimeter, cubic centimeter. Then in this case, we notice that 1 million equals to 1 cubic meter. So in this case, we got 50. So therefore, we should have 50 cubic meter. OK， 嗱，如果我哋有5000萬，咁100萬等同於一個cubic meter。咁所以喺呢個情況之下，我哋有50個100萬，咁所以就係50個 cubic meter 啦。OK。Next, this time we try to convert a cubic meter into liter. Now, 1 cubic meter actually is equals to 1,000 liter. Okay, sorry, my bad, 1,000 liter. So in this case, okay, when we try to look at it, actually we need to times 20 times 1,000. So in this case, the answer here, it would be 20,000. Is that okay? So in this case, 2,000,000啦。OK， 嗱，由於我哋一個 cubic meter 就會等同於咧1000 lit 1000升啦。咁而我哋而家有20個 cubic meter，咁所以喺呢個情況之下咧，我哋就會有20000升啦。OK，即係20個1000，咁就20000啦。OK，then OK，later on OK，maybe let us try to work on the ml. For the ml, convert into lit. Okay, 1 lit equals to 1,000 ml. This time we do not have enough or we do not reach 1,000. So in this case, we will have 0.3 liter. Okay, 0.3 liter. Now then later on 5 ml, actually 5 ml is equals to how many cubic centimeter? 嗱，1 ml 等同於一個cubic centimeter。咁而家我哋有5 ml，咁所以咪即係等同於有5個 cubic centimeter 咯。Next, we got 45.5 kilogram. Now mass, for the mass, it is quite easy. So I just directly give you the answer by showing you the step. Now 45.5 kilogram, actually 1 kilogram equals to 1,000 gram. So in this case, it would be 45.5 times 1,000. Then in this case, it would be 45500. 嗱，我哋知道45.5 kilogram 咧，係1 kilogram 等同於1000 gram。咁而家我哋有45.5 kilogram 喎，咁咪即係將45.5乘以1000，咁所以咧就有咧45,500 gram 啦。Next, 800 milligram. So in this case, 1 gram equals to 1,000 milligram. Now we got 800, so meaning that it would be 0.8 gram. Next, for the time is a little bit special, no longer in like having 10 and then we move up. This time it would be every 60. So what does this mean? Now we got 1.5 hour. Now we notice that 1 hour in fact is equals to 60 minutes. Now we got 0.5 hour, and in this case it would be equals to 30 minutes. So once we add them together, actually it would be 90 minutes. 嗱，我哋由於知道咧1.5小時咧，其實咧係等同於咧1個鐘頭加0.5個鐘頭，咁1個鐘頭就係40，sorry 係60分鐘。 咁而0.5個鐘頭咧，咁就係30分鐘，所以兩者加埋咧就係 total 90分鐘啦。Now then, okay, later on we need to convert minute to second. Now we notice that 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Then in this case, 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Now we got 6,000 seconds. Then in this case, we need to use 6,000 divided by 60. So therefore, we will have 100, okay? Is okay? Now, when we try to maybe find out the question in the exam, it may be even more tricky. They may ask you to convert in hours. Then 100 minutes actually is 1.6 hours. Then how can we divide it? Okay, we need to use 100 divided by 60. Okay, further divided by 60. Then in this case, actually it would be 100 minutes. It would be equals to 1.6 hour. Is it okay for that? Not too difficult, OK？ 100分鐘咁啊！如果咧我哋喺 exam 咧好多時候咧佢都有機會未必係直接叫你可能 second 轉 minute 嘅，佢可能會叫你 second 轉 hour。咁所以呢個時候咧我哋就要再將呢個100分鐘咧再除以60啦。咁最後咧我哋就會得出1.6小時啦。OK？Any question？咁啊如果冇嘅話咧，咁啊就大致就係咁啦。So if you do not have any questions, feel free to I mean if you do not have any question, then it means that okay you are quite confident in the unit conversion. So you can maybe just put this worksheet into the folder. Okay. So if you do have any other questions, please feel free to find me or send a message in the Google Classroom. I will try my best to reply to you as soon as possible.